Introducing the Aquasure Drinking Water System Extra Output and Ice Maker Kit, featuring a 25-foot NSF certified food grade tubing and HydroFit Quick Connect fittings, adapters, and locking clips, ensuring a quick, complete, leak-free installation. Simply connect your new waterline kit to your RO system and run it to your refrigerator or any additional output source. Water and ice never tasted so good. Now your whole family can enjoy great tasting water and crystal clear ice right from your own fridge. Compatible with all Aquasure Premier Series water systems or any existing water filtration system with quarter-inch tubing connection.